Hello to all of my dinner guests and welcome back to another video. You're sitting at Vanessa's dinner table, and today on the menu I'll be showing you how I make my oven roasted garlic and herb chicken. Alright, so first you want to begin by washing off your chicken and then removing all the giblets and everything on the inside of the chicken and placing it to the side. You may want to make some gravy with that. Alright, so you want to season everything really well, lift up the skin by the breast and just get everything well seasoned. Right here I'm using Lawry seasoning salt. And then I'll be using some garlic powder. Get those wings really well. I love the wings. I don't know about you guys. Alright, so you want to use some pepper. And then after that, I'll be using one of my favorite seasonings to season my whole chicken, which is roasted garlic and herb seasoning by McCormick Grill Mates. That's what I use for here. Alright, so I'm going to list everything in the description box below. Okay, so right here I have 2 onions cut up. I'm going to place them inside the chicken, and also some carrots. And then I'm going to have some extra on the side of the chicken as well. I'm going to place that all around. Okay, and I also have some butter that I'm going to place inside the skin of the chicken. And this is for some extra flavor and juiciness. So you don't have to worry about this chicken being dry. This pan actually makes the chicken very moist and very juicy. So you don't have to worry about that. You can also use an oven bag or whatever you want to use. I just don't leave it uncovered at all. Okay, so after 2 hours and 15 minutes, it's done. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Any questions or comments you have, please leave it in the comment section below. And thank you for watching this video. And I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.